Hey guys, Monster here, coming in with a quick unboxing as I said I would have with my Shaun of the Dead review. First of all, we'll do a quick unboxing of some earphones as well as Fright Night on DVD. First of all, the earphones, let me just get the fucking tape off. Oh shit, I gotta wash this guys because I ain't got long on my camera. And shit ain't fucking monetizing, so I ain't able to free up the space till I know that shit's gonna monetize, otherwise I'm gonna have to re-upload it. Alright. So, try and open this bitch. Fuck's sake. Oh, I don't know if that's the right way to do it, but I've got them out. Okay, they're the earphones. Great. Alright, just got to wash through this, I'm afraid. Alright, there's the Fright Night. That's fun. I had to do a review of this, but it's not great because I was playing Resistance while I was reviewing it. There's the side. Okay, let's get the plastic off. Open up. It's this. Okay guys, so that's a quick unboxing of Fright Night on DVD. See you in the next unboxing straight after this. So that's pretty much it. So, Monster 50 signing out.